Hey, welcome back to my channel. Iraqi Dinar news update. Here's the exchange rate for the US dollar compared to the Iraqi Dinar remained stable on Wednesday in Baghdad and slightly rose in the capital of the Kurdistan region of Iraq, Erbil. The US dollar exchange rate remained stable in Baghdad's Al-Khifa and Al-Harithia stock exchanges, reaching 1,413.5 Iraqi dinars throughout the day. The exchange rate in currency exchange shops in Baghdad ranged between 1,422.5 dinars and 1,402.5 dinars. Shafaq News reported. In Erbil, the US dollar exchange rate slightly rose, fluctuating between 1,411.5 and 1,410.5 Iraqi dinars. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, said in February 2023 that it has begun using the new US dollar exchange rate of 1,300 dinars to every US dollar. The previous official exchange rate was 1,450 dinars to $1 US dollar, which was being exchanged in the parallel market at a rate of 1,550 dinars, while the official exchange rate was 1,450 dinars per dollar. In January 2023, the US currency was being exchanged at 1,610 dinars during the same month in the parallel market in Iraq. This variation represented a more than 10% difference in exchange rates. The official exchange rate versus the market rate. Official rate, this is set by the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI. For example, it was 1,450 IQD per $1 US dollar. In February 2023, the CBI reduced it to 1,300 IQD per $1 US dollar to strengthen the dinar. Parallel market rate, this is the real rate in daily transactions, such as currency exchange shops or street markets. It can be higher than the official rate due to supply and demand, dollar scarcity, or illegal dollar smuggling. Example: official rate 1,300 IQD equals $1. Market rate 1,410 to 1,420 IQD equals $1. So, people are actually paying more IQD per dollar than the official rate. Why the difference matters? The gap between official and market rates shows pressure on Iraq's economy. When the dinar trades weaker than the official rate, it means the IQD is under stress, and there's higher demand for US dollars, which people trust more. A stable or narrowing gap means the CBI is succeeding in its policies to stabilize the currency. What the current rates tell us, the report says. Baghdad's rate remained stable at ~1 for 13.5 IQD in Erbil. It rose slightly to ~1 for 11.1 for 10 IQD. The official rate is still 1,300 IQD. So the market rate is about 8 to 9% weaker than the official rate. This means the CBI's efforts to close the gap are partly working. But dollar shortages, smuggling, sanctions, or lack of trust can keep the gap open if the IQD strengthens. The market rate comes closer to 1,300 IQD, good for purchasing power, cheaper imports and public confidence. If the IQD weakens, the market rate drifts further from 1,300 IQD, bad for people's savings. Prices rise and inflation risk grows. Summary: your numbers show the CBI is trying to stabilize the dinar. The market is still skeptical, so there's a gap. Any change in the parallel rate indicates how well the economy and CBI controls are working.